Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you a small u capital L error code. And if you got this error code, you might have even noticed before you got it, the machine was like vibrating or something like that. And that's because the UL stands for unbalanced load. So if you're getting this, what you need to do to get rid of this is to rebalance the load, which is a pretty simple thing to do. So all you need to do is just open it up and maybe everything has been worked to one side of the drum. Just kind of redistribute it to get it more balanced out. And secondly, you might be getting this error because you're washing like one heavy thing, like a rug or something like that. And you can't really balance it out because it's one thing and it has to kind of sit on one side of the drum. And what you can do in that situation is just, basically find some other stuff you can throw in there with it. If you got some towels or something that you can throw, you can put it on the other side of the drum to kind of balance out the weight. That'll get things balanced and it'll get rid of this error and get your washing machine working again. Anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.